Hi, my name is Cara. I live in Central Florida. 4 years ago, I landed on a piece of metal. That injury led to a torn meniscus surgery. From there, my knee got progressively worse until total knee replacement was necessary. Little by little, my ability to work out was taken away. My knee just would not allow it. It was just impossible. I felt that this injury had robbed me of so many things. Travel is something that I felt I had earned. We have a trip planned to Europe. We have a trip planned to the Greek islands. But I'm not gonna be able to enjoy that trip. It just feels like your life is slipping away. All these great years are passing you by and you're not able to fully participate in the things that you really enjoy. One day, my friend told me about Rothman Orthopaedics when she saw me limping in pain. She gave me the number, I contacted, and the level of care that they give, I felt I was in the right place. Something was special about this place. The surgery was done, so I'm able to go to the gym. I work out with my husband, with my daughter. There are moments in which I'm just so full of gratitude for the little things, just being able to exercise, which is something that most people take for granted, and it just makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, I love traveling. I was able to go to Portugal and not really have to be concerned about how long I'm going to be sitting on a plane or how many steps I will have to walk when I'm in a terminal. Rothman Orthopaedics at AdventHealth specializes in knees, so I can specialize in travel.